Hey guys, Omar here with ABC Austin Service Express, and it is probably about, I don't know, maybe 8 o'clock at night, and I had a customer who came by yesterday, and they had a bad zone board. It burnt from the back. It got a short on it. So here is the old zone board, and here is the new zone board. So the brand new zone board, and the zone board, what it does is, especially for homes that have two-story homes, you have a thermostat upstairs, a thermostat downstairs, but you have one system, and you have two dampers. So you have a zone board and two dampers, and each damper, one for downstairs and one for upstairs. It helps control the air a lot better. So call us for your AC heating refrigeration needs, 512-448-0532. You can find us at the web at www.abcaustinacandheating.com. Okay, plus another happy customer. Okay, thanks guys, see you in the next video. Bye bye.